Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and for today's video we're going to do something with these two models.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.
Okay, if you could remember, we did the unboxing video of these two Honda Civic FD2 models. Okay, we did the unboxing. This one is from DCT, Diecast Team. Okay, same makers of GCD. Okay, and for today's video, we're going to do something with these two, and we're going to need a screwdriver and this one. Okay. Fortunately, this one is that rag from GCD. Okay. Okay, we're going to do a wheel swap. Okay, we're going to swap, or not a wheel swap. Okay, we'll trade. Okay, we'll be trading the wheels of these two models. Okay, because you could see the red one came with black wheels and the yellow one came with white, and I thought it would be good for the yellow one to have this tires. So, and fortunately, models came with two screws to secure the base. Okay, so as I mentioned in my previous video, okay, doing something with your models, okay, might as well secure it with a soft rag or some microfiber cloth, okay, to avoid scratches or dings. Okay, and also make sure to handle it carefully so you won't break the side mirrors. Okay, and okay, there you have it. Since our the bases, as I've mentioned, are secured by two screws only. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, more. Okay, I won't bother myself in removing the screws, since rather, okay, came off with my magnetic screwdriver. Okay, now that it's off, okay, we're going to do the red one. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay, if you haven't seen our unboxing video for this one, okay, here's the link. Okay, I'll provide you with the link somewhere in the video. Okay, this one is a good one from DCT. Okay, now that we have removed this one, once again, okay, front one. Okay, okay, since we've removed it already, okay, you might want to check out the interiors for this one. Okay, there you have it. Okay, here's what the body looks like from the inside. Okay, very good one. And here's the interiors. See? Okay, very detailed ones. Okay, this model, Honda Civic FD Type R. Okay, the red one came with red interiors, right hand drive model. Okay, the seats are detailed. Okay, color red and black. Okay, very good ones. Very good. Even the door panels. Okay, I know it's clear. There you go. Door panels are detailed. Front dashboard is detailed. Center console is also detailed. Okay, there you have it. Even the steering wheel has a Honda logo on it. Okay, aircon vents. also detailed. Very good one. Okay, so since this one came from the red model, okay, we'll check the yellow one. Okay, it's kind of hard. Okay, we'll do this one slowly. Oh, we're having a hard time with this one. Okay. Do they have a similar one? Yes, they do have a similar one. But this one is very hard to remove. Okay. I'm too scared to break this one. It's too hard. Okay. Oh no. Cannot. Okay. Nonetheless, I think they have the same one, but instead of being red, this one it came in yellow. Okay. I was planning to swap interiors also, but okay, nonetheless, just keep it that way. I might break something and regret it. Anyway, okay, there you go. And we're going to swap. Going to trade wheels. Okay, the red one now has the white wheels. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Okay, now okay, I'm going to look at the base. Okay, we already tackled this one, very good ones. And this one, okay, the axle, okay, kind of thick one compared to the regular Hot Wheels or Matchbox models. Okay, has this plastic Tomica like mechanism. Okay, supposedly for suspension, but it's kind of hard for it. But anyway, it's just there to secure the axles. Okay, I'm going to place this one on the yellow one. Okay, when I do this, okay, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram page. Okay, it's VJM Collectibles, both for Facebook and Instagram. Okay, you could see more diecast models, pictures of diecast models and diecast reels. Okay, short videos and reels are there. Okay, that's it. Okay, there you have it. We traded the wheels for these two Honda Civic Type R models, FD2. Okay, I think the yellow one kind of looks good with the black wheels. Okay, and the red one also. Okay, I might try to look for some 3D printed wheels and might place them here, just like what I did with Honda Civic Vario. Okay, there you have it. These are NKRP F1 wheels. Okay, 3D printed ones. Okay, very good one. Okay, kind of looks good on the Vario. Okay, Honda Civic Vario. Okay, well, this one is from Inno64. Okay, but this FD2 models are from DCT. Okay, there you have it. A quick, short wheel swap with these two models. Okay, I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.